Pag tapos na kayo mag-Facebook, pag tapos na kayo mag-Twitter, isurf nyo po ang ating website, www.v-league.ph. Miyama, what's up?
You know, both of these teams only have 1.5 months to prepare bago sila sumabak dito sa Shakey's B-League. Kaya naman sabi ni Coach Ariel de la Cruz of Air Force, sabi niya, 60% pa lang daw ang kanilang chemistry dito sa team. Pero sabi niya na since mahaba pa naman din daw ang season nila dito sa Shakey's B-League, yun daw ang kanilang goal is to gel in the long run. And one of their goals also here is to bring back the pride dito sa Air Force. Kasi sabi niya, 10 years ago daw, medyo superior sila pagdating sa volleyball. Pero now they're feeling kind of inferior laban dito sa Army. Kaya sabi nila, this is the perfect way daw to redeem themselves. Kasi ito naman si Coach Rico de Guzman of the Army, sabi niya, hindi daw sila papayag kasi gusto rin daw nila magbigay ng pride sa mga kasamahan nila sa Army na ngayon lang nanonood ng volleyball at ng Shakey's B-League. Kaya shout out sa ating mga bagong kaibigan dyan sa Army and sa Air Force.
My goodness. One big happy family.
Well, you know, yeah, that's right. The gelling is very important. But yeah, that's why they join leagues like the V-League so that they can learn from here.
Alam naman natin na unang conference na nagkaroon tayo ng parang open tournament. And Iratay finishing off that play. They are in a jolly mood. 10 against 4, second set.
Well, that was a beautiful play, as in totally outsmarting. No blockers, totally outsmarting the defense of Air Force.
Pero yung placement ni Iratay para dito kay Carolino has been on target. At least 3 points in the set for Carolino, who's serving right now for Army. Wala na sa tamang placing ng footwork. Nakapasok pa rin kay Balse.
May swerte pa.
Iba talaga pag matangkad. Bunag. Semana scrambling for in getting Manzano that attack. Balse over a Nakita na nila na maliliit talaga yung mga kaharap nila sa net. 11-4. Biggest lead of this set, even of this match para sa Philippine Army.
Well, Mary Jean Balse getting into the scoring act as well for Army. That's bad news for Air Force.
Makatangay. Semana. And finally, a point coming from an attack courtesy of De Ramos para dito sa Air Force. Huwag natin kalimutan na Axel ang official outfitter ng ating Shakey's V-League. De Ramos serving. Iratay setting up Balse. Rejected. Iratay once again, this time going to Bunag.
That's right. It finds the line there, down the line. So far, Army also having a lot of success going down the line. So the defense of Air Force has to adjust.
Yung pag-receive kasi nila talagang hirap na hirap sila. Hindi nila alam kung sinong mamarka nila rito. Semana this time going to Manzano. Easily answered by Mayet Carolino and Bunag. Went down the line.
Too much line.
No more line.
No more line.
No more line. Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League dito po sa ating 8th season. More intense rallies, more thrills dito sa ating Mikasa ball.
Maizo from the back row. Air Force getting it over. Makatangay.
Yes, finally cutting the lead of Philippine Army to 5 points after being down by as much as 8. Look at this play.
That's right. Makatangay also showing that I can also go down the line.
Sa kanina, pa-drop shot lang eh. Hinataw na talaga niya.
Well, siguro they need more time to warm up these Air Force
Tama yung
players.
sinabi mo kasi nung nanonood ako kanina sa kanila while they were warming up, grabe yung warm-up drills ng Philippine Army. Kung wala ka sa kondisyon, parang isang laro na yung ginawa nila. Hindi talaga, over 30 minutes. Na talagang rigid yung kanilang warm-up drills. Manzano, serving, Iratay, setting up Bunag once again, who goes cross-court. Manzano scrambling, Makatangay, easy over. Oh, that's too low.
Well, Bunag trying to get a blocker, but the point goes to Air Force.
Timeout para dito kay Coach Rico de Guzman. They're still in the lead, 12-9.
Iusog mo ito dito. Kanina pa tayo nakakapag na tayo.
Kaya naman kayo, ang laki na naman natin.
Tapos pabalik mo lang doon sa kaya stress.
Anong pinagagawa niyo sa loob?
Hindi tayo makareceive sa pwesto.
Bakit kasi niyo pinapahirapan pa rin play? Pwede, ilang striker mo? Dalawa. Sino striker mo? John C. Dalion. Oh, ba't tayo mo pag B? B3 lang. Hindi na kailangan ng buka-buka. Ang Nata kayo ng hindi naman naka-block yun.
May konting question and answer portion doon. Pero dito live po tayo sa the arena here in San Juan City. As Philippine Army looking to go 2 sets to none. Laban dito sa kubanan ng Air Force na humabol ng malaki after being down by as much as 8. Tatlo na lang kanilang tinitignan ni Ratay. Going to Bunag, rejected once again.
Well, that's right. Now Air Force is alive here in the second set.
Defending Bunag in the last few sequences. At some errors also hurting and cutting that lead of Philippine Army. Manzano serving. Iratay this time going to Dalia Cruz. Maiso to Makatangay. This time Bunag getting that ball across 2 blockers. Iratay, Balse. That's a routine shot, almost a point, but Semana getting that ball across.
That's right. It's a nice rally we're having.
Very long rally, Semana. Makatangay, answered by Dalia Cruz.
Oh!
With no blockers in front of her, Makatangay with that unforced error. 3-point lead for Philippine Army, 13-10.
Well, here in the second set, our leading scorers for Air Force, it's Makatangay, and for Army, it's Balse. So, different names right now.
Bunag serving, Semana setting up Makatangay. Bunag, Giratay, going to Carolino.
Oh!
That's a rocket coming from Michelle Carolino.
That's right, Manzano actually can't handle that. Too much power.
Ang hirap din ng matangkad, no? Ang hirap din mag-stay low minsan talaga. Hindi, totoo yun.
That's
diba?
right, it's more effort.
Right idea, wrong execution, 5-point lead, Philippine Army. De La Rosa committing another unforced error para dito sa Air Force. Tama yung placing, ano? Tama ang direksyon.
Medyo nang gigil.
Nagigil, oh. Pag nakita mo talaga yung butas sa depensa, Makatangay. Almost a point. Carolino once again, attacking Manzano. That's a check ball.
Well, that's a good point for Air Force. But you know, Cherry Rose has been through a lot of in her volleyball history. So, you know, she will create some errors right now because of age na rin. But, you know, she still has the heart there.
As Army once again having a 5-point lead heading to our second technical timeout.